Hey everyone, Canadian Renegade here. So you can see we've been having some fine early fall weather out here in Canada again. And it's September 23rd, so a few days after the last update. You can see that the pond is filling up. Does seem to be inching up. It's definitely bigger than last time I was out here. So I'm thinking maybe the ground is starting to get saturated now, so we're getting more runoff, even though the precipitation, there's been quite a bit, but it hasn't been torrential. But anyways, framers have been making a little bit more progress here. You can see they've got the beam or posts up for the side overhang there, and they started getting the roof up, so it's pretty cool. But I'm gonna go over there and take a look. So I'm kind of having to rush through this just because we are running out of light here. I had to do another lumber run at the end of the day. I'm gonna go head around the back here, take a look. But as you can see, the site is super muddy still. The site's not bad for staying dry, but we really have not had many days where it hasn't rained or snowed, and the temperature's been so low, around 0 or freezing, that even when it doesn't rain, it doesn't dry out real quick. So it's just basically hindering the progress. Here's the back. You can see up on top there, they have all the trusses loaded, so they just have to flip them up into position. So they should make pretty good progress the next day that they're out here. Hopefully it's not too many. Hopefully it stops raining. I think it's supposed to be nice tomorrow. I think they're gonna be out another day or two once it dries out a little bit more. But I'm gonna go take a look at the inside here. And yeah, I'll discuss this overhang here more when there's a little more time and a little more light. I still have some lumber I gotta haul in here. Okay, so you can probably hear the water dripping. There's still a lot of snow melting off of these trusses and everything. So I'm going to try not to get wet. But the area that you're looking at right now, this is going to be the kitchen on that side. And I'll definitely do a better walkthrough once I've got a little bit more time. It's definitely not huge in here, but I didn't really expect it to be. It's a pretty compact little house, but I think it's plenty big enough to be useful. And then this side over here is the living room area, and there's going to be like right here, well, we're gonna have counter along here, and then there's going to be a counter coming out, but it'll be open one side to the other. And then back here, like I said, I'll do a better walkthrough later, but back here we've got that would be the master. That's the secondary bedroom. Let's just do a quick walkthrough, might as well. But we'll go through it a little bit better later. This is a little compact pantry here. This is going to be one of the 2 washrooms here. There's one on the other side there. Stairs down here. And then, better not back up into this hole, but right here is going to be a secondary entrance and the laundry room. So compact little design, but should be functional, and I think it'll be cozy. Lots of windows. Got a nice little view out here of the pond. So that's going to be a really nice feature once it fills up and we get some wildlife in there. And also, go over here. But like I mentioned before, that mound will be removed. That's just black dirt. But we're gonna have a window about here approximately, and that'll be our view from the living room. So pretty damn nice, I think. So I'm pretty happy with how things are turning out so far. Starting to get a little bit excited. I know there's still months and months of building left, but things are going well. So I think that's it for today, and I hope everyone's doing well, and until next time, take care.